Hello children, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Rupal ma'am. So children, in our last session, we did a recap of my family and my home. Today, let's start our session with a rhyme. My family. This is my home. Open the door. There you can see mother, father, sister and me. Mummy and papa are so much fun. They are the best under the sun. Grandpa and grandma are so jolly. We are all a happy little family. So children, now you all sing with me. This is my home. Open the door. There you can see mother, father, sister and me. Mummy and papa are so much fun. They are the best under the sun. Grandpa and grandma are so jolly. We are all a happy little family. We are all a happy little family. Children, let us play a game today. I will show you some pictures and you have to identify whether it is a small family or a big family. Are you all ready? मैं आपको थोड़े पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी और आपको पहचानना है कि ये एकल परिवार है या संयुक्त परिवार। तैयार हो बच्चों? So children, is this a big family or a small family? Small family. Very good. Next picture. Is this a big family or a small family? Yes, it is a big family. Now, next picture. Is this a big family or a small family? Yes, it is a big family. Is this a big family or a small family? Yes, it is a small family. Great job, children. Now, we will play the same game for my home. Are you all ready? I will show you some pictures of different rooms and you have to identify the room. मैं आपको अलग अलग कमरों के पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी और आपको पहचानना है कि ये कौन सा रूम है। Children, which room is this? This is a dining room. Very good. Now, which room is this? Yes, it is a living room or a drawing room. Which room is this? This is a kitchen. Which room is this? This is a bedroom. Very good. बच्चों, आपने खूब पहचाना. Now, I will give you solution of the worksheets. In the first worksheet, you had to put a tick mark in the box by identifying the family you live in. If you live in a small family, put a tick mark on a small family. And if you live in a big or a joint family, you will put a tick mark here on the big family. I live in a small family, so I have put a tick mark here on the small family. In the second worksheet, you had to match the objects to the rooms they are found in. Here, the first picture is of a bed, so match it with the bedroom. Second picture is of a gas stove, so match it with the kitchen. The third picture is of a sofa, so match it with the living room. The fourth picture is of a shower, so match it with the bathroom. I hope, children, you all have done the same. So children, some families are big and some are small, and they all live together in their home. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.